Let's make a superhero cake. Start off by outlining the figure in the crumb coat of the frosting with a chopstick or something else like that. Then we're just going to fill it in. Luckily, if you screw up the outline, you can always scrape it over and start over. If you don't like the white showing through, make your crumb coat the same color as the final color. We're going to make this cake yellow, and so we're just going to go all the way around the cake and making sure that we fill in all of the spaces. I wasn't super careful about making sure that the white spaces weren't all covered, and that didn't bother me, but if it really bothers you, then try to space your piping a little bit closer. And if you're wondering why I kept it white, is because I feel like you can taste a little bit of the food coloring, so I try not to use too much food coloring. Anyone else like this? And here we're going to outline the city skyline. Now this isn't any kind of city, I just randomly did this, but when I went back in to fill them in, I did every other so that I could go back and fill in the lights. Another idea is to not do the skyline. You could actually put the birthday boy or birthday girl's name on the side here. So I'm going back in here with the yellow and then filling in the lights in the buildings, and then we're going to fill in the sky with the rest of the yellow frosting. If you want to go ahead and fill in the white spots, that's perfectly fine. You can see it's a little bit splotchy on the edges here. And if that triggers your OCD, then go fill it in. And here's the finished product. My friend's 4-year-old absolutely loved this, and he got a Batman figurine as well. And it was a good birthday. Hope you enjoyed that tutorial, and see you next time.